Introducing the Husky family, starting with Polly, the princess of the family who enjoys eating, napping, and going on adventures. Next up is Kobe, the prince of the family, always chatty, full of energy, a bit possessive, but oh so sweet. Then there's Bella, Polly's daughter, the youngest member of the family, talkative, playful, and absolutely adorable. And let's not forget about Momi and Dottie, the loving fur parents who shower Polly, Kobe, and Bella with care and affection.
Oh, gusto mo na. Sino mo nakapayag na Tita Jeng? Ay, Polly! Oh, sasama ka sa amin ni Taytay.
Oh, sama ka. Oh, lala. Sasama ka.
Kami, Daddy.
Ay! Magdudumi ang damit ni Tita Jeng. Naku.
Paalam mo na, dali.
Paalam ka muna. Wala.
Ano mo na? O, nakapayong na ako. O, aalis na ako.
Wala raw, daddy niya tulog pa. Tulog pa, daddy eh.
Ay, paalam ka muna. Dali, let's go, let's go. Halika na. Polly, gusto mo lumaboy. Oy, Daddy, paalam mo na sa Daddy.
Ala ka.
Go! Dali, oh, nakapayong na ako, oh! Oh! Nakapayong na, Tita Jeng ka! Dali! Ano? Oh. O, ayun, napapaalam daw siya sa'yo.
Ala ka.
Halika na! Halika na! Oh, sweet naman, oh. Galing mo, gano'n. Halika na! Oh, payag na? Payag? Oh, payag na. Oh, payag ka ba, Daddy? Oh, tara na.
Hindi raw kasama daddy niya eh.
Oh, sama mo, Daddy. Babay na.
Ayos raw si Tita Jeng, hindi ka raw pwede eh.
Bye-bye! Ayaw! Ayaw ni Daddy. Bye-bye! Ha?
Ha?
Uy! Pali! Ano na? Let's go!
Ang bait no? Oo, ang bait.
Bye-bye!
Babay na Tita Jeng. Paalam, ano ka na?
Hindi pinayagan ng Daddy. Ayaw.
Babay Tita Jeng.
Bye-bye!
Come on, next time na lang.
Bye-bye na lang! Bye-bye na lang!
Thanks for tuning in. To subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell.